No problem. After circles, you just okay. You make one of the more small circle over here, and join this circle like this.
I like a big circle.
Yes, you are giving this here. Okay, one straight line. Make the straight line. After
This is
that,
so pretty, girl. This is a girl.
oh my baby girl, girl.
This is a girl.
Oh my baby
This is a girl.
good.
This is a girl.
Mm-hmm. Okay, done.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, okay, wait. Achinda Prishka, Jaini Shambhavi, Jaini Shri Jaita, Jaita, Ash. Done with it. Okay, Ash. Okay, move, come. You can start the color. Okay, you have a color now? Okay. So, you can see the color reference, this one, huh? That's good. So, we are going to stay on the line, stay on the line, and make it. Yes.
Pig.
Wow.
Girl, I'm not pig. No pig is pig.
Yes. Just a second.
So, no, you didn't show me anything. You just show a hat.
Now you are making the eyes over here. Make the one line, okay, and erasing all the rest of the line, whatever you are doing before this construction line, you just erasing. In this line, you can create this eyes.
I didn't see my yellow eraser.
What better? What?
What the? See, like this? Ah. Girl, where is the mouth?
Yes.
Where's the mouth?
I draw the mouth. Okay, just to wait a minute. You can create that no like this, and here the mouth, here the eyes, this is ear, one ear is this and one ear is this,
Wow, we have big ears.
one ear this, one ear this. So you can create here, here you can create the body. Okay, this is the leg, आराम से, and this are the two hand. Make the hand, one hand, two hand. Okay, make a hand like this. This is to the leg.
Okay.
Awesome. This is good. Very nice. We are going to color this.
What's here? Contact clothes?
Okay, how to color this? Just first you erasing this.
Yellow eraser too.
extra line, raising this extra line. Okay, and I can make. Very nice one, no? Thank you so much. Uh, PS Pondy. PS Pondy. It's a arts.
Yes, sir.
Arts. Let's start.
Yes.
Arts make this first circle. This is, and then make the big circle. Beta. First make the make the head. Okay. Like this. First half circle and then big circle. Understood, beta? Oh, very good. Make the eyes. Okay. Nose. Mouth. Okay. This is the hand. Okay. And this leg. This is one of the Disney character. You know. Ash, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Antira. Okay. Okay, beta. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, you can put this color, blue, and the pink. Yes. Make color nicely, okay, Ashansha. Make color nicely. Upper part this blue. Lower part I put the pink. The head also upper part I put the blue. Okay. And lower part I put the pink. Pink. Hmm. You make this pink.
I'm doing this now, the rainbow watermelon. I'm looking for like a pink peach.
Hmm.
I really like the peach, but I want to like the dark pink.
Body parts you can use this Prussian blue.
Hey, you. You're
Okay.
doing so fast. You're all eating me. I'm focusing now.
Yes. So these things आराम से second tone